Hi everyone, Moray's here. How are you all? Okay, so we're back with our part 2 for this little fairy house. It's from trash to treasure, remember that. So if you remember, what we did was that we had taken our bottle and the cardboard piece, and then we had the modeling clay, and we figured out about the house. Now everything is really nice and solid. So the interesting part now is to paint our little house. So here comes my turntable. The colors that I'm going to be using for the chimney breast is red, and I'll do a little brown and red and gold for my rooftop. Stones, I think I'll go with a little fossil gray with white and a tinge of green a little bit, so that we can extend the look of the grass. Okay, I'm gonna put out a little bit of my red. This is blood red that I have, so just with a little water, I'm going to load up my brush, and then let's begin. And the good part is that as you saw, we did not buy most of the things. Most of our things were things that we had used and had come, and we would have probably thrown them away. So what a beautiful way to restore and to use all the things that come. Here I want to give a little shout out to all of my students. I believe I got a lot of messages from them that they have been watching, and they are so thrilled that I have a YouTube channel now, and they are all watching. So I thank them all, and I'm so happy that we can connect through YouTube now. We use the things again purposefully and make something unique that definitely is going to attract so many people, especially the kids in your house. Now to do the rooftop, I will do brown color, which is going to look quite nice, and we will incorporate that with a little bit of other colors to give it. Okay. And I don't mind working in the red because we want to give it a little bit of shading as well, so it's going to be fine. And the chimney, now I just want to highlight things and sort of make it a little interesting. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of rust in it, so that it's not just one color. It just sort of gives it a little bit of shading. Now the chimney breast, I want to highlight the areas with a little bit of black. It gives the effect of bricks. Just where the squares are, just go over it, trying to separate the bricks. Okay. Now we'll just dry it a bit so that we can do a little bit of white finishing for it. It's not completely dry yet. I paint my front door and I want to do orange or rust color. Probably a little more because I think I put black with it, so I'll go ahead, tap it a bit so that and the doorknob, why not make it red? Now what I want to do is to add a little highlight with white, so I want to use a sponge. Remember how we used to do the sponge, load it up and then sort of take it away from it. You want to go over. Okay, now I want to work on my garden. Let's see. Okay, now I have a very interesting color with me, which is called fossil. So I'm going to do a little bit of fossil inside the crevices of the stones, just giving it a little realistic look. And then I rub it off, so that I'm just sort of slightly giving it that stone effect and stone tone. Now I'll add a little bit of my Van Dyke brown, just a tiny bit. Okay, now there's a part which had the stairs, so we need to do our stairs first in brown and then highlighting it a little bit. Okay, and we need to highlight or separate our stairs, so we're going to give a little lines where the steps are. Okay, yeah. Now for the chimney breast and a little surrounding areas, I just want to sort of give it a little green color around, just depicting that there is some greenery there. There we go. So here is our house. Now the most interesting part is that we are going to open the bottom of our bottle, and we have these fairy lights which we're going to be putting on and insert it inside our bottle and close the lid, and voila, there you go. Here is our beautiful house. So do message and tell me how you like it. I love it, and I'm sure my granddaughters will love it too. So take care. Bye.